So I'm cheap, but I want quality parts, right? You can't afford to buy all those gaskets. It's a ripoff. $10 here, $5 here, $10 here, $20 there. It adds up fast. So what you gotta do is you gotta make your own. You can buy one roll of this paper right here for, you know, 10 bucks, and you can make all the gaskets you could ever need, 100 bucks worth of gaskets. It'll last you a while. So here's the gasket paper I use right here. This is Felpro 3159 rubber fiber sheet, and it's just rubberized paper. This stuff works great, guys. It makes awesome gaskets. I'll put links in the description to this on Amazon where you can find it down there. Perfect. Look at that. Y'all old timers got it right the first time. This is old school. Before you could just buy the gaskets, you had to make your own. Alright, so the factory made gaskets do have better holes in them, I'll give you that much. If you take your time, you can come up with gaskets like this, no problem. This is one I made. It's looking good. I got this thing nice and clean. I got 2 new gaskets made. One for the bearing thing, and then this one right here goes on there just like that. I made that with the same method I used earlier on in the video. Let's get this thing bolted back on. So I got this bag, I just put all my random scraps in, right? So you got a little piece you can cut up there. Got a nice big piece, it's weird shaped. You can cut out of that one and just keep them in here, man. This thing will last you years, you know? It's a great tip, guys. I'll check y'all out later.